Sponsored by eBay right here.
Side.
You got fans. It's not the right one.
Not the right one?
No. So
These ones have a little eyelid at the bottom. These are the fronts.
oh boy. Is it a different model?
How long ago did you get these?
Shit.
A couple days ago?
No.
Weeks.
Like last year.
Last year?
Yeah.
Around December, right?
Does that unscrew?
No. No. Okay. So look at the model. You said it's Q50, right?
Yeah, it's a Q50.
What year?
Like 2015.
Is it all-wheel drive?
I think so.
Yeah. Let me check it. Let me see if they have spring axles. Just rear. Eyelets at the bottom. A little
Okay.
ball.
Damn.
Yeah.
Bought the wrong one.
Oh man.
Those ones might be for the all-wheel drive one. That's why.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is for the all-wheel drive ones because the all-wheel drive ones have a since they have a front axle, the bolts are offset rather than being right through the center of it. So, well, now you can flip those and be like, yo,
Yeah.
all-wheel drive. If they don't accept the returns, just call them, and then yeah, we can do these again. I'm not tripping. It was pretty easy to take it out, so.
Yeah, we contact them.
I looked up. So the price difference, if you guys want to see, between an all-wheel drive and a rear-wheel drive, $3K.
3K difference.
3K difference. But these are the ones.
It's really 3K difference.
I told you,
Why?
man. 3K. I have no clue.
What do you want to do now?
Gotta put it back together.
Might as well put it back. I mean, shit.
About to play that SpongeBob music with the violin.
Yeah.
To it.
Damn.
And then 3 months later, yo, I got the box.
I get it. Next time,
Alright.
for sure.
Next time we'll do it in the shop.
Yeah.
Well, this guy about to open shop today, right?
Yeah, around 3 or 7. 3 to 7. We have the time frame to come in there and kind of get established, get comfortable, and then maybe start moving in stuff. But we'll see. I gotta go pick up my balancer at my boy's house. He's available probably Wednesday or so. So maybe next week we'll start moving everything in, because I got Wednesday, Thursday, so probably do that.
Oh, what is that? You got a sticker on the
I got
way.
stickers on the way.
Which is
hopefully-
called what?
Huh?
Secret Base
Yeah,
Garage?
Secret Base Garage.
Alright guys, so welcome to Secret Base Garage.
What's happening,
Oh yeah.
This is not the official Secret Base, so bear with us. I'm actually helping the landlord.
So you came to check out a shop?
Started working right
And
away.
you put you to work.
That's right. Whatever the landlord says, yes, boss.
Love,